Open the glove box. Uninstall the side panel using a screwdriver. Remove the 2 bolts in the ceiling of the glove box using a 7mm socket. Lower the glove box. Careful not to stress the hoses and wires still connected. Disconnect the light. Remove the 2 screws securing the filter housing door. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Close the filter housing. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the 2 bolts. Reinstall the side panel by aligning the tabs. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.